Today we have a PlayStation 5 and customer states that it doesn't power up. He took it to another repair shop. So we got the system here. We're going to plug it in and see if we get a crackling noise. That means the power supply is getting power. Probably plug it in. Okay, I heard a little bit. Let's see if we get a beep out of this. Nothing. That is a doorknob. What we're going to do is take this apart and we're going to test for the 12 volts to see if we get the 12 volts. And we're going to test these two terminals. Alright, so we got our 12 volts. So you can see right here, we got our 12 volts. So it's not the power supply. So I'm not even going to go down a rabbit hole, because if this is shorted out, which it's not. So yeah, we don't have a short here. That's good. 12 volts. One amp. And we're going to hit the power. Alright, so it's just hanging at 0.23 amps. So yeah, it just hangs at 23, 24 amps. Yeah, it's not doing nothing. How about we cheat? Well, I'm gonna put this back on, and I'm just gonna throw a flare camera on it, or infrared. I just want to see if anything's spotting out. Alright, so I got the thermal camera on. We're going to hit power here. There's something over here getting hot. That reflection. Yep. Alright, there we go. I think we found the culprit. So it's somewhere over here. That's the PlayStation symbol. Let's try it again. So it's somewhere over here. And that would be... Let's take a look at it with the... Yeah, I just figured that since it's hanging there like that, that obviously something's shorting out. So that's why I went in with the flare camera right away. They're not flared. Wow. Pads right there. And they got vias that go off to the side there. So it's going to be... It's going to be the second one over here in the via. So we're going to have to look at the other side of the board. So let's flip this around. So we got the board flipped around. We're going to come over here. Was it somewhere over here? One of these in this area right here. Yeah, I think it's over here. There we go. Look at that. Little stinking capacitor. No way. Yeah, that thing is glowing like a cherry. Cherry red. There we go. So yeah, just it might be just be the capacitor, or it could be that chip. Wow, it's kicking some power there, huh? This cap right here that was heating up. See if we can notice any cracking or anything on it. I don't see nothing so far. Could be that little guy too. And this shouldn't be ground. So yeah, we definitely got a dead short there. That's completely a dead short. Let's just, that cap was heating up there, so let's just remove that guy. Alright, I'm just going to come in with some solder. There we go. We cleared the short. So it was that little 10-cent component right there, stopping an expensive game console from booting. Let's look at the capacitor here. Here's the capacitor. We're going to test the capacitor. So touching these two probes should beep. And it should beep here right when we touch this. Yep. So we got a shorted capacitor. Oh yeah. It's got a crack right down the center there. Looks like it's got a crack going this way and then a crack going that way. But mainly, look at that big crack. Yeah, I could say that's defective. That's the other side of it. Yeah, this thing's split in half, like 2 different ways. But yeah, I would say that's a faulty capacitor there. What we could do is we could test the value of that capacitor. We'll take this other one over here on the side because it's the same. And what we'll do is just have a quick look at it, see what the value is. Fly my other one away to the moon. Alright, we'll let that cool down. Test it. I'm going to go into the meter. We're going to go to capacitor mode. So yeah, 20 UF, 22 UF probably. So 22 UF capacitor, and we can test this other guy over here. Make sure he's in the right value. Just make sure he doesn't go flying away. Yep, 24. So that's a little higher reading. 23, so yeah, that's good. So basically at 22, this one's reading 23, 24, right around there. But that's a good candidate. So we're going to put this guy in place. Alright, set those guys down nice and neat. There we go. Now we're going to clean up our mess. So I'm just going to get a little bit of that flux out of there, some rapid clean. There we go. Nice and clean. We found our short, we removed it, replaced it with another capacitor. Since we have this out, we're going to test the boot sequence on it. Alright, now let's see if we go up to 300 and then drop back down. There we go. 31, and then come back down. Perfect. We got us a booting board. $31, and then hang, drop down. Good. Alright, so we can put this in the chassis now and test it. So we've got the power cord and plug this in. We'll plug in our HDMI. Alright, moment of truth. Did we fix it? 3, 2, 1. We got a beep noise. We got a blue light. Woo! And let's see if we get picture. See if we get a white light. Come on. Okay, we got a white light. So we should have picture. There we go. We got picture. Saved. Not going to the landfill because of a 10-cent capacitor failing. Stopping the whole system from tire booting. You know, and I didn't waste all my time going around testing for shorts and stuff like that for rails. There was no need for it because I seen that it was hanging at 23 constantly, so I knew it had a short. There it goes. It wasn't shut down proper. So we knew we had a short, and it was right here. So that little stinking little capacitor right there stopped the whole system. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys get a chance, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button right there if you guys want to see more videos like this. As always, thanks for watching.